Good morning, my dear student. Welcome once again. And today we will discuss how metal react with metal salt solution. See, children, previously we have discussed how metal react with dilute acid, and now our topic is how metal react with metal salt solution. And this topic is very easy, and also in first chapter we have already discussed this topic, that is displacement reaction. A displacement reaction, children, defined as a reaction in which more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution. This is your displacement reaction. I think you all have studied this one, displacement reaction. In first chapter we have learned 4 types or 5 types of chemical reaction, and in that one reaction was there, displacement reaction. So come here we will see various 2 to 3 examples of displacement reaction. Later on I will also show you reactivity series. From that reactivity series you will able to identify that which metal is more reactive than next one. Okay, see, magnesium, when magnesium is treated with copper sulfate, because magnesium is more reactive as compared to copper, what will happen, children? This magnesium will displaces this metal from its salt solution. Okay, and it form magnesium sulfate plus copper. Why this displacement reaction is occurring here? Because magnesium is more reactive, magnesium is more powerful as compared to copper. So magnesium, when it is treated with a blue color solution, copper sulfate show blue color. So when it is treated with copper sulfate, it will form, children, magnesium sulfate, a colorless solution. Why the solution will change into colorless? Because of the formation of magnesium sulfate plus copper. Copper is a metal here. Now see, here you can see from activity, children, this magnesium powder we are adding to a blue color copper solution, copper sulfate solution, and with the passage of time you will observe that colorless magnesium sulfate solution, and here you can observe piece of copper. So why this type of displacement has been occur here? Because magnesium is more reactive as compared to copper. Now see, when you will treat zinc with copper sulfate, zinc is more reactive than copper, children. Zinc is more reactive than copper. So what it will do? Very readily it will remove this copper metal from its salt solution, and it forms zinc sulfate plus copper solid. Okay, now see third reaction, where iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Here you can see iron, when it is treated with blue color solution of copper sulfate, it forms ferrous sulfate. Okay, ferrous sulfate. You know what is the color of ferrous sulfate? It is green color. Okay, plus copper solid. Here you can see example. When iron nail we will dip in a copper sulfate solution, which is initially the color of the solution was blue, but after 15 to 20 minutes, children, what will happen? Green iron sulfate solution form. Now the color of solution will get changed from blue to green with copper metal on iron. Okay, it will get deposit on iron. This is before one and this is after one. Here you can see green iron sulfate solution and copper metal on iron. So this is your displacement reaction, children. Displacement reaction means where a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution. Okay, now see reactivity series. See, children, reactivity series of metal. This is the arranging of metal in decreasing order of reactivity. Okay, this is called reactivity series. Here you can see from top to bottom the reactivity of metal is getting decreases. Here you can see potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium. Okay, these are reactive elements. Okay, now here magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead. Okay, Here you can see reactivity of a metal is going decreases from top to bottom. As you will come from top to bottom, the reactivity of metal decreases. Here silver and gold, mercury, they are considered as a least reactive metals. Okay, children, you have to learn this reactivity series. Okay, suppose potassium, sodium, they are reactive one. These see, previously we have discussed one reaction where magnesium is treated with copper sulfate. You can see, children, here this is magnesium and this is copper sulfate. So the element or the metal which is present at the top is more reactive, and copper which is present here, it is less reactive. So when magnesium is treated with copper sulfate solution, then magnesium will displaces copper from the solution and form magnesium sulfate. Okay, so in this way displacement reaction takes place. Okay, if you will suppose I have taken sodium sulfate and if I am treating it with iron, so again sodium is able to displace iron from its salt solution. Why? Because sodium is more, you can see now, here the element present at the top, they are more reactive, and which is present below it will be less reactive. So more reactive metal can displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. So this is your displacement reaction. You have to learn this, children. See, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold. From top to bottom, the reactivity of metal decreases. If you will compare, suppose two metal, if I am comparing for example magnesium and lead, so magnesium is more reactive as compared to lead. Okay, suppose if I will compare potassium with magnesium, so potassium is more reactive as compared to magnesium. The element which is present at the above is more reactive as compared to the next one. So this is all, children. This is all your reactivity series of metal. Just learn all these things, and in next topic we will discuss how metal and non-metal react. Okay, children, just go through all the videos that how metal, chemical properties of metal, where metal is reaction of metal, you have studied it with oxygen, water, acid. Prepare a note in your copy, chemistry copy, and if any query is there regarding any topic, you all are free to ask. Okay, children, but you have to be very attentive and you have to learn all the things from the basic steps. Okay, children, so just prepare your notes, and if any query is there, that I am here. Thank you, children.